This short guide explains how to buy shares of CME Group, the global derivatives exchange operator listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CME. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you normally verify your account with an identity document and then add funds to your balance before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CME to find the CME Group listing, then select the result that matches the company name and NASDAQ exchange. On the asset page, check the company overview and the price chart. Confirm the listing shows CME Group and NASDAQ, so you are on the correct stock page. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will be queued or executed when it opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your open position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it, and a link to the eToro page used as an example is provided in the description for reference.